my pack out, clicking it on, ignore that underneath. Opening it up, you know, normal stuff, right? It's a pack out. Oh, what's that? Let me show you. Oh, so I did the foam last night, and a couple of you, honestly, I was a little surprised that you didn't, it was just messages. But nobody commented that there's no way that bin's going to fit in there. Well, that bin fits in there, but it's not just a normal bin. So if you guys don't know, 3D Technologies, Vernon, a while ago came up with the idea of notching these so that you can turn the big rectangle, boop, that way. Well, that's super awesome. And so I reached out to him because I was like, why come up with a bin that somebody else has already done? But then I said, let's add something to it. So now look, we have these little angled cubbies, and this is not the final one, but there's one more revision we're going to make after this. We're going to turn these 180 so that they face that way. That way when you lift it up, and we're going to make these a little taller. But you can use them for sandpaper. You can use them for grinding discs. It's definitely going to give you the ability. We're probably going to have ones that go this way and this way. Well, okay, technically it'll go that way, right? So that way the sandpaper always wants to stay in. But look at that. How sweet is that? Now you've got your detail sander, all the paper for it, the accessories, put it in a pack out, and you're done. So if you're interested in something like this, little joint venture between Vernon, 3D Technologies, and I, and, you know, we all got to make everything pack out. So if you're on Vernon's site, hop on there. You can get one from him. Or if you're on mine, you can get one from me. The final version will be done any day now. So once you see it on the site, or you can message us, you can order it from either one of us. You guys have a good one, and pack out.